ज़्यादा भी होगा। पब्लिक बहुत बढ़ते जा रहा है हिंदुस्तान में, पिक्चरें लोगों को पसंद आते जा रही है। I think we're getting a big market out all over the world. Yeah, world's getting small. I think we go to Moon and Mars also.
The film made 300 crore plus in India, and China में जाके Indian film 100 crore करती है, तो as a Indian filmmaker क्या कहना चाहेंगे? इंडिया का मार्केट अब बन रहा है।
हिंदुस्तान की चीज़ें सबको पसंद है बाबा, बराबर। ईस्ट ऑफ टर्की बिजनेस तो था ही, बाकी अब दुनिया भी आ गया। So I think soon, I think there'll be a big business out there, and the skies opened up. Yes.
टाइगर नहीं है यहाँ पे, अकेले आए हैं। टाइगर कहाँ पर है?
Tiger अपने काम पे bro. काम लगा, he started work, the shoot started. Anyway, all the best and congratulations.
आज ब्रदर्स का ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ,
हाँ bro, बोल।
आज ब्रदर्स का ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ, क्या रिस्पॉन्स मिला आपको ट्रेलर के लिए?
अच्छा मिला यार, बहुत प्यार दिया उन लोगों ने।
बजाइए भाई, बजाइए।
Yeah, this is looking like a premiere, नहीं? Hey, silence! Silence! फटा था फर्स्ट। किसके लिए? ही यार, I think फिल्म कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या आती है? You have to, responsibility is always there. You have to continue doing good work, and you have to be different. I think PK इसलिए इस मुकाम तक पहुंची because it was a unique idea, unique concept था, high on content था, and I think these are like the the key things that make a film work. And I think PK has proven that. और एक completely unknown territory को को cross करना, China, और वहाँ पे to do the kind of business that it's done, and the acceptability that the film has received over there, that's beyond everything else. किसी और language के जो लोग कोई और भाषा बोलते हैं, वो हमारी भाषा की फिल्म को देख के इतना पसंद कर रहे हैं. It's a thing that all of us should be proud of as a nation, as cinema lovers. When I'd gone to China for Beijing Film Festival with NH10. At that time, the journalists over there were talking to me and asking me questions about Three Idiots, and they were so aware of it. And I think I'm very, very happy that this, I think PK, Three Idiots, it represents Indian films in the right way. It's high on content, and yet it has that whole musical value that our films, possess. So in a way, I feel very proud that not just because I'm part of PK and my film has done such good work, been appreciated so much over there, but it's just by the fact that we are part of this industry, and our films have reached that mark which we wouldn't have thought of some time ago. So I think it's a really reassuring thing for us. It's a market that's opened up for us. In the future, we'll be able to send a lot more films over there, and in a way that we'll be more global. So I think it's a great sign from where I see it. Obviously, नहीं ऐसा कुछ छोटा बड़ा कुछ नहीं है. Just stories, अलग अलग टाइप की stories. कुछ stories का स्केल बड़ा हो सकता है, कुछ का छोटा हो सकता है, बट यू डोंट चूज एंड डू फिल्म्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट. यू डू स्टोरीज एंड आइडियाज के ऊपर फिल्में बनती हैं. वी हैव अ फ्यू स्क्रिप्ट्स दैट वी आर वर्किंग ऑन राइट नाउ एंड यू अक्षत वर्मा की फिल्म है जो अभी हम लोग राइट नाउ कर रहे हैं. अभी तो मैंने वही तो मैंने बोला अभी. I practice yoga, not regularly right now because I have my. Are you leaving? सेलिब्रिटीज की जो मेरी तो वैसी कोई नहीं है, तो मुझसे क्या पूछ रहे हो? See, I'm not ever going to dignify these kind of questions because these questions are. This doesn't actually happen. These things are allegedly made to happen because it sells more papers and sells more news pieces. And I'm not going to let anybody use me or Priyanka, who is an actress who I respect, to just make their news items run. So, we have a lot of dignity for ourselves and each other, and we'd like to maintain that. Yeah, so I was saying, so I had a teacher, but now she is, I don't work with her anymore because she's busy. So, but I think yoga is probably something that everyone must do because it not only does it do good wonders for your body, for your immunity, for your digestion, for everything in your your whole system, but it's also wonderful for your mind. It's like it's a step towards mental stability. So I think it's a great thing, and everyone must. Hello. Everyone must do it. आपकी लाइफ में कब होने वाला है? ओके, थैंक यू.